Artificial intelligence, yes, we're going to talk about AI, which is very common as of now. A few years ago, when they're talking about it, we don't even believe that's going to happen, right? But it's a human intelligence processing through computer. So it means it's copying our thinking, the way we do anything, analyze things, but using the computer processing. So like the chat GPT, we can make a script just giving a command to chat GPT. I remember when I was in college, when we're talking about more things that's about to happen, or about internet and this and that, we don't even think that we are going to this time wherein everything that we have is smartphone, smart watch, smart everything. So AI 2.0 is the better version. Actually is a humanoid robot, wherein it means that it acts like a human being, it thinks like a human being, and sometimes it's more a better version of a human being. Okay, so this is designed to look like us, with a human torso, with everything. It's a complete one. It's like a person, but it's a robot. But anyway, before I dive in, I'm telling you right now that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you this, sharing you what I researched about the AI 2.0. And before we start, if you like this video, I'm Elvira at Financial. Please subscribe. I just need a subscription from you guys. But anyway, so that if I have some more new things coming in, I can share it with you. So remember, always be a blessing to each and every one. Okay, so we start about this AI. So AI today, the most exciting transformative trends in the tech world. AI 2.0, the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence technology, is revolutionizing industries, creating immense growth opportunities for companies leading this technological wave. As AI 2.0 emerges, we're seeing more advanced and specialized applications. Investors are on the lookout for the most promising stocks to capitalize on this trend. In today's episode, we will explore the top 10 best AI 2.0 stocks to consider to your investment portfolio. AI 2.0, also known as the second wave of artificial intelligence, is ushering in a new era of innovation and disruption. Unlike traditional machine learning algorithms, AI 2.0 leverages deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to deliver more sophisticated and human-like intelligence. Companies across diverse sectors are embracing AI 2.0 to drive efficiency. Okay, I'll give you the first list. The first pick is Alphabet Google. Okay, a leader in AI innovation. Alphabet is tech behemoth that established itself as front runner in the AI 2.0 era. Let's dive into what makes this company a standout in the world of artificial intelligence. First, let's talk about features. Google's AI-powered search algorithms are continually enhancing user experience, delivering more relevant and personalized results. Their cloud computing platform, Google Cloud, offers a suite of AI services and tools for development and enterprise. Okay, what is the pros and cons? Okay, it is the vast resource and a talent, a pool dedicated to AI research and development, diverse revenues from various products and services, which help mitigate risk, a strong brand recognition, and a loyal user base. But there are also cons to consider. Increasing regularity, scrutiny, and antitrust concern due to its dominant market position. Intense competition from other tech giants in the AI space. In my opinion, Alphabet's relentless pursuit of innovation and its powers in AI-driven technologies make it compelling investment opportunity. The company's ability to monetize its AI capabilities across multiple verticals, coupled with its strong financial position, it has as a leader of AI 2.0 era. The next one, NVIDIA, a, a pioneer in AI 2.0. Okay, we're focusing on NVIDIA, a pioneer in the graphics processing unit, GPU. Okay, industry and a leader player in the AI 2.0, NVIDIA has established itself as a critical enabler of AI technology across various domains. Let's explore what set this company apart in the AI landscape. First, let's look at the features that make NVIDIA stand out. NVIDIA GPUs excel in parallel processing, make them perfect for accelerating computationally intensive AI workloads. Their CUDA parallel computing platform and CUDNN library have become industry standard for developing and deploying AI applications. NVIDIA's data center business has seen significant growth driven by the increasing demand for AI computing power. Now let's weigh the pros and cons of investing in NVIDIA. Starting with the pros, strong market position in the GPU market leading the competition. Continuous investment in research and development ensuring ongoing technological advancement. Diversified revenue streams including gaming data centers and professional visualization. However, there are also some cons to consider. Potential competition from other semiconductor companies developing AI chips. Dependence on a limited number of major in the data center segment. Okay, in my opinion, NVIDIA dominance in the GPU market and its proven track record in AI innovation make it a compelling investment opportunity as AI 2.0 application proliferate across industries. NVIDIA cutting-edge hardware and software solutions are well positioned to drive substantial growth and revenue stream. Third, we have Amazon, AI 2.0 pioneer. This is the next stock that we are highlighting is Amazon, the e-commerce giant that has made significant strides in the AI 2.0 realm. Through its cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services. Amazon is leveraging its cloud infrastructure to offer a range of AI services that empower business with advanced machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision capabilities. Let's dive into features that make AWS a standout in a 2.0. AWS provides a comprehensive suite of AI services. Amazon SageMaker allows for building, training, and deploying machine and learning models. Amazon Recognition adds image and video analysis capabilities for application, making computer vision accessible to developers. Amazon Lex and Amazon Poly bring natural language processing and speech recognition to life, enabling the creation of conversational interfaces. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of investing in Amazon. Starting with the pros. Vast infrastructure computing resource to support AI workloads. Diverse customer base across various industries, providing numerous use cases for AI solution. Strong brand recognition and customer loyalty. However, there are some cons to keep in mind. Increasing competition from other cloud providers offering AI services. Potential regulatory challenges related to data privacy and security. In my view, Amazon's dominance in the cloud computing market and its extensive AI services portfolio make it a compelling investment opportunity in the AI 2.0 era. As business increasingly adopt AI solution, Amazon AWS platform is well positioned to capture a significant share of this growing market. Next is Microsoft MSFT, embracing AI 2.0. Another big player, guys, in the market is Microsoft, a tech titan renowned for its software expertise and its wholehearted embrace of AI 2.0. Microsoft focused on AI cloud, computing, natural language processing, and computer vision has propelled into forefront of the AI revolution. Let's explore what set this company apart in the AI landscape. Let's start by looking at the key features of Microsoft AI offerings. Microsoft assures the company cloud computing platform provides a comprehensive suite of AI services and tools for developers and enterprise. Cortana, Microsoft AI-powered digital assistant, uses natural language. Microsoft computer vision and image recognition technologies are applied in various fields, including healthcare, retail, and gaming. Now let's consider the pros and cons of investing in Microsoft. There's always pros and there's always cons. In everything that we do, there's always thing, but it's always the dominance of the pros. Okay? Strong presence in the enterprise software market facilitating AI adoption. Businesses. Continuous investment in AI research and development fostering innovation. Diverse revenue streams from products and services, including cloud computing, productivity, software, and gaming. However, there are some cons to consider. Intense competition from other tech giants in the AI space, potential regulatory challenges related to data privacy and security. It's always regarding the privacy and security. That's always the cons to consider. In my opinion, Microsoft's commitment to AI and its ability to integrate AI capability into its vast product portfolio make it an attractive investment. The company's strong presence in the enterprise market, its focus on AI cloud computing position it well to capitalize on the growing demand for AI solutions across industries. And the fifth in our list, Adobe, enhancing creativity with AI 2.0. Okay, we're shining a light in Adobe, the software giant renowned for its creative suite of products and its innovative use of AI 2.0 to revolutionize content creation. Adobe has seamlessly integrated AI technology like machine learning, computer vision into its product, enhancing tasks such as image editing, video production, and content creation. Let's explore the key features of Adobe AI offering. Okay, Adobe Sensei, the company's AI machine learning platform, powers a variety of features. Across Adobe's creative software suite, Adobe AI-powered tools facilitate like automatic object selection, image colorization, and style transfer, making creative work transfer and more intuitive in video editing. Adobe leverages AI for tasks such as motion tracking or color grading. Okay, the pros: strong brand recognition and loyal customer base in the creative industry, continuous innovation and integration of AI technology into existing products, diversification to other areas. Okay, and the cons: potential competition from emerging AR-powered creative software solution and dependence on the creative industry, which can be cyclical in nature. So the next thing is Baidu, BIDU. Okay, AI 2.0 innovation. This is another big player, guys. The Chinese search engine giant has emerged as a significant player in the AI 2.0 landscape. Baidu's strong power or AI research development has led to innovative solutions across various domains, including autonomous driving, natural language processing. Okay, I will make it short because we are on the 16 minutes already. Pros is strong market position in China with a vast user base, continuous investment in AI research and development driving innovation, diversification into various AI products and services. The cons are increasing competition from both international and technological companies in the AI space. Regulatory challenge. In my opinion, Baidu's dominance in the Chinese market, it is unwavering commitment to AI innovation make it an attractive investment opportunity. And the next on the list is UiPath, PATH, revolutionizing automation with AI 2.0. Okay, I don't want to give you all the details on this. I'll just post what it is all about. And the other one is even the pros and cons. The sales force also is included. So guys, I don't want to get most of your time, but I will post this some of the things about the Salesforce. And so far we have also the Advanced Micro Devices AMD, a competitor in AI focused chips. And another one is C3.ai, AI innovating software. Those are the AI 2.0 stocks that we can be able to take advantage on. But don't just take my word for it, okay? Just also try to research, but this is already the research that I did for it. These are the best one that you can have, you know? So remember this, we have only one life to live. Means always be a blessing to each and everyone and invest as whatever you can afford to lose and share the blessing. This is all I can do for now, and this is the only blessing I can share to you, is give you the list of the best AI 2.0 stocks that you can invest with. And have a good day. Thank you, and see you in my next video.